What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Chevrolet Cruze flip key remote fob. This Chevy Cruze key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and flip the key blade open like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and we're going to remove this back cover right here. So I'm going to come over to the side where the key blade folds in, and I'm going to get my fingers kind of in there like that on this part, and then put my thumb down here on the bottom. Then I'm just going to kind of peel that back like that, and they typically come off of there pretty easily. Once we get that cover off, we see our battery right here. In order to get this battery out of here, I'm just going to come over here and kind of get my... If I'm holding the key fob like this with the key blade pointing down, I'm going to come over to the top of the battery and just get my fingernail on there and get it out of that holder. If you're unable to use your fingernail or you find it difficult, you can use a small flathead screwdriver or something similar. It doesn't take much. Once we get our old battery out, we can then install our new battery, and we want to make sure we're installing our new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And again, if we're holding our key fob like this with the blade pointing down, you want to kind of tuck this bottom edge in first, like that. Kind of tuck that edge in first, then push it down into place. And then we can put this back cover on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.